Mix condensed milk with peach. This is perfect in this heat, in a chopper or blender. Let's add a can of peaches without the water. Preserve, then just cover and let it beat a lot. Well done. Now we just have to take it and let's move to a container. Then let's add 325 grams of condensed milk and we will mix it all together. Well done. Let's set this aside. Next, in a mixer, let's add 200 grams of cream, a teaspoon of emulsifier and let it mix. Very well until it starts to double in size. When it is, let's now remove the beater and we're going to add all of our mixture of condensed milk and peach. Now let's hit it again and leave it until. Mix very well. Let's remove the mixer and now let's add 200 grams of chopped semi-sweet chocolate. It is just mixed with the help of a spatula as soon as. Mix well and it will stay at this consistency. Let's get it and now move to a platter. Now we just have to take it in the freezer and wait until it hardens. And look guys, this peach ice cream is amazing, super quick and easy. It's delicious and look how much better this texture is. That's the market and personally, I hope you. If you liked it, this was another recipe from the poor man in the kitchen. That big hug until next time and